Where are we, Claire?
Phuket. Technically, it's Phuket, but whatever. This cost us £4 a night, and this is literally a dramatic improvement from our last digs. This room is literally huge, honestly, absolutely massive. Yeah, you've seen enough of me. It's noisy because I've got the balcony door open, but very modern. 4 stories. That's downstairs. That's the ground floor. Take you out there tomorrow, and this time it will be tomorrow. I'll give you a bit of a tour of the neighbourhood we're in. But this is the room we're in. Let me see if I can turn some lights on and make this look a bit brighter. Okay, so got a fridge, water, a pineapple slice which looks absolutely grim from the 25-hour bus journey that we were on earlier. Got all our clothes splayed out there, it's a bit disgusting. Got a massive LCD screen there, which is pretty decent. Loads and loads of wardrobe space, which we've been able to put, apologies for the darkness, but the lights up here aren't working, which is great. But we've got all our cases in here, got a safe in there, which is brilliant. Really useful for putting the GoPro away when we don't need it. Little alcove there, don't really know what that's for. Probably be doing some editing on there, I'm sure. Bed. It's actually a really nice hotel, this. That's not some kind of design there, by the way. That is literally someone smashed the window and they've masking taped it up. Brilliant. And now I was going to take you outside. So this is the neighbourhood that we're in. It's pretty noisy, as you can hear. But there you go, get a glimpse of where we are, where we're at. It's a really nice hotel. Just there, that white one there. Lovely hotel. You can see all the way down the street there. It's pretty lively, it's pretty happening. Music blaring, all that kind of good stuff. But we'll do a proper, you can see some lights just there in the distance, just there, neon lights. We're going to go check that out tomorrow, see what that's about. But where it's all happening mainly is Bangla Road, and we actually went down there earlier today and it was completely mental. So we've got to go check that out. And I think, well, today being Thursday, it's 9:30 at night right now, on Thursday the 7th of November. Apologies, 25-hour bus journey. I had 1 hour sleep because the guy behind me was snoring his head off the whole journey. I'm feeling it, I'll be honest. I'm on my 3rd beer right now and I'm definitely feeling it. So ignore me. But we will take you out to Bangla Road, everyone here. You can come along on the journey with us. It's going to be intense, as it was today. And it only being a Thursday, and when we were walking around it was, I don't know, 5 in the afternoon, 6 o'clock in the evening, something like that, something along those lines. We had some food at a street food market, which was incredible, 100 baht, so quite a bit more than Chiang Mai, but still worth it. Good food, good atmosphere, but we're looking forward to seeing what either Friday or Saturday bring. Saturday is actually the full moon party, so we're going to find out which beach that's taking place on. I'll be honest, it's not really mine or Claire's cup of tea, but we might give it a go. Who knows? Who knows? We'll see what happens. See where we end up. Noisy as hell. Noisy as hell. But for now, take it easy, guys. I need some kip because I am exhausted. Laters. Ladies and gents, hello. We are back after 8 hours 45 minutes sleep. I'm feeling fresh as a daisy, and I think Claire is as well. We've just stopped off at this place here, I-Kroon Cafe and Hotel. It's pretty good actually. There's a lot of people in here. There's lots of people, and it's pretty swish place. It's literally 2 doors down from where we're staying, so it's perfect. And food here is really cheap, really reasonable. Just ordered 2 chicken pad thais for 80 baht each, which is cheap, just over £2 in English money. And I've just ordered a coffee, that being £1.20, and Claire's just ordered a Coke, which comes in at I don't know, 80p, something like that. So yeah, looking forward to this one. It should be good. We've seen on TripAdvisor this gets a certificate of excellence for 2019. So let's see. I hope we're not disappointed. But see the decor, quite nice. Just met some guys sitting next to us here. A few German guys, all from Frankfurt, so that was quite cool. Had a bit of a broken English conversation with them. Always funny. Always funny. But Claire today is sporting a new bag, and this thing here is by a company called Black Yak. See that there? Black Yak. Black Yak. I'm going to check out their website now. Looks like they have some quite cool stuff. She actually got this.
In York?
Yeah, in York, but it's made in, there you go, Hill Lane, country Nepal. So good quality, all that stuff. We thought, you know, it'd be perfect for travelling. Thank you so much. That's great. Oh, look at this. Hello. That was quick. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you very much. It's the good ice. See that?
Is that
it's got
good?
holes in it. Yeah. So any ice that you see in Asia, Southeast Asia, that has holes in it, like this here, that's good. That means it's been made from purified water, which is really good. I learnt it on YouTube, funnily enough. And if anyone in the comments below mentions that that's wrong, then it could well be wrong. It wasn't from a valid source, so we'll find out. I'm just trying to persuade Claire that it's good, but who knows, it could not be. I just ordered an Americano. Nothing special. Smells pretty good though. So the plan is today to head to the Patong beach. We were there yesterday. I did some footage, put some stuff on Instagram, but the plan is to really just kick back and relax, because the last week or so that we've been here, week and a half, we've been doing stuff every single day and we are pretty tired. So we're going to kick back, we're going to relax, we're going to chill out, read some of our Lonely Planet Vietnam book, get to grips with what we're in for when we go to Vietnam. Should be quite good. Yeah, just be in the moment. I'll probably pick up the GoPro, do a bit of footage there. If I find an area which is really good for swimming, I might even take the GoPro into the sea, but I'm a bit skeptical. I mean, this thing's got holes in it. I'm like, oh yeah, it's fine, 10 meters down, yeah, no problem. But I don't know, I'm not too sure about that, so we'll see. We'll see. Oh God, I'm just looking at the wall. And they've got Service Excellence Award winner, TripAdvisor winner, hotel, espresso. Yeah, these guys are the real deal. And they're cheap. I can't believe how cheap they are. It's unreal. Anyway, I'll pick up the camera when the pad thais come out. Or come out, back, out. Ooh, that looks good. Fried waffle. Hello. Not bad. I'll turn this back on when the pad thai comes out and you can have a look at exactly what we're eating for 80 baht a pop. See you later, guys. So our food came out and I got a bit carried away and started eating, but it's honestly really freaking good. I'm not surprised this place has got a certificate of excellence, to be honest. I even got given some bread from the Germans next to us. Literally sound people, because they couldn't finish it because they ordered far too much food. They had like waffles, fish and chips, pizza and bread, so they were like, no, I'm full. But yeah, all of that for 80 baht, and it's probably the nicest pad thai I think I've had so far in Thailand. But yeah, check this place out, I-Kroon Cafe and Hotel, really, really good. I will drop a link in the description below on this video, so you guys can check this place out. But yeah, really, really cool. See you in a bit, guys.